Okay, now we are going to do with our question number 5, C question. Over here, x minus in the bracket it is y minus again in the smaller bracket it is z minus b minus c. Okay, now we have to split this. So first concept is split the inner bracket. Okay, so b minus c should be splitted. So I am writing the rest bracket as it is. So y minus z. Now minus and over here plus sign is there, so minus plus minus b, minus into minus will be given as plus. The inner bracket got extinguished over here. Now the other inner bracket, now over here again x minus over here y. Now minus into plus minus z, minus into minus will give me as plus, that is b, and over here y and minus plus will be given as minus c. Now the inner one bracket got extinguished over here. Now we will be extinguish this outer bracket. So over here it will be x minus y, because plus into minus will give me as minus, minus into minus will be given as plus z, minus b plus c. Understood over here? So you can write this. Okay, understood? Now moving on to our question number D. 2x minus 3x, in the smaller bracket it is minus 4x minus 3y minus 2x minus 2y. Now we have to split this. So our inner bracket should be done first. So what I will do, 2x minus 3x minus 4x minus, now minus plus minus again over here plus 2x, because this minus into this minus will be given as plus, and minus into minus will be given as plus over here 2y. Okay, now done over here. Now again we will do with the outer bracket, inner bracket. So over here it will be 2x minus, now over here 3x, now minus 4x, okay, minus into minus plus 3y, minus into plus minus 2x, and minus into plus minus 2y. Okay, so your inner bracket got extinguished over here. Now the outer bracket which is been left over here, 2x minus, now over here it will be 3x plus 4x minus 3y plus 2x plus 2y. See over here, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus, minus into plus will be giving me as minus over here, minus into minus plus, minus into minus will be given as over here as plus. Now the like terms 2x, 3x, 4x and 2x. Okay, so over here 2x minus 3x will be given me as minus 1x, minus 1x plus 4x will be given me as 3x, because 4 is the greater number, or else I will write to that minus x plus 4x, okay, plus 2x minus 3y plus 2y. Now over here again the like terms, so 4 plus 2 will be given me as 6, 6 minus 1 will be given me as 5x, and the number will be of the greater sign, that is of the 6x, that is plus. Now over here minus plus minus, so 3 minus 2 will be giving me as minus 1, because 3 is a greater number having minus sign over here. Okay, understood over here? Now moving on to our question number E. 3x square minus 4y plus 3x minus x square minus x square plus y minus 2y plus 4. Now, first we will solve the inner bracket. So let this bracket remain as like this way. So 3x square minus 4y plus 3x. The bracket will like this, remain like this way. The outer bracket also same like that way. X square minus. Now over here, minus plus minus, that will be x square. Okay. Now over here, minus plus minus. So the inner bracket got extinguished over here. Minus 2y plus 4. Okay. Now again with the same pattern, 3x square minus 4y plus 3x. Now the outer bracket, because minus has been connected to it, so minus plus minus minus 3x square minus into minus plus x square. Now over here again plus y plus 2y minus 4 over here. Now again with the same pattern, 3x square minus 4y plus 3x. Now no need to put the brackets over here because the minus sign will be given to all the numbers. So same number I am writing over here, x square plus y plus 2y minus 4. Now see over here, I can cut this x square because 1x minus 1x will be giving me as 0x. Okay, so over here 3x square. Now over here like terms are 3x, x is not again over here. Now moving on to y terms. Okay, and the remaining is the constant term over here. Now 3x square, okay, plus 3x, done over here. Now minus 4y plus y will be giving me as minus 3y plus 2y minus 4. So over here 3x square plus 3x. Now minus 3y plus 2y will be giving me as minus 1y minus 4. So understood over here, till now understood over here how to do the sums, okay, properly. Thank you students.
Namaskar. Video